Hello, welcome back. So on my last video, I taught you how to set out your layout in Photoshop for easy design. All right, so I'm going to be teaching you another trick. Sorry, there's a mistake here. So I'm going to be teaching you another trick, so that whenever your layout gets disorganized, like something like this, let's say it gets bad like this, you're going to set it back in one step. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. All right. All right. Let me just get this raw. Okay. So when you go to the right hand upper side of your Photoshop, you're going to see a small box with two shapes on it. So here, so you're just going to click on it. You're going to locate where they wrote new workspace. So you're going to click on new workspace and then you can just give it a name, a title. So I'm going to be naming this Oge Poch. Poch. So I'm going to be naming it Poch. Only Poch, okay? Poch. Right. So when you're done, just click on save. Alright. So after setting your layout, your Photoshop layout like this, you can just go to this place and click on new workspace and then you name it maybe with your name, Poch Workspace, um, Emmanuel's workspace and the rest of it, all right? So that whenever this gets disorganized, let's say I disorganize this like this, like everything is just messed up, like you don't know how to reset it. So all you're going to do is just go back to this panel, to this box here, sorry, and then click on Porch. When you click on Porch, go back to it and click on Reset Porch. When you click on Reset Porch, it goes back to the way you set it at the beginning. All right, hope you find this useful. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because you'll be getting tips and tricks on Photoshop and other design softwares, even graphic design at large. Also, don't forget to look out for our image generating AI, how to generate image using AI. Thank you and God bless you.